Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing some Cara Mia's Corners giveaway winnings that she had recently done a secret little hidden giveaway on her channel from her trip from Hawaii. And she added some extra rack mail as well, so she let me know that she had added a few extra thingies. But a few is not the right word because this thing is so huge. And I'm also going to have to get onto my postman because he's literally shoving these boxes that are not going to fit. It was so hard to pull it out from the little unit. But anyways, I got it out. It's here. It made it safely. And if I shake it, I can hear something in there, and I'm so looking forward to unboxing these wonderful goodies. So thank you so much for having packaged this up. And I feel like I'm missing one more thing. So yeah, so me and Cara, my dear friend, thank you so much. She has done a few collabs with me. We did our Dollar Tree swap junk journal challenge for 2022, and then we also recently did the tag you're it, I start it, you finish it challenge. So I've definitely got to experience that with her, and I'm so very happy that they have been successful. Right, I'm gonna try my best to see which side to open. I'm gonna do this side. Oh my goodness. What did you do, Cara? Cara Mia. Here we go. Ooh, sorry, that must have been really loud. Oh my lord. Look at this. I'm already seeing some quilts. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm so giddy. What did you do, Cara? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Much more than when she said. I sent a few extras. Girl, this is not a few. See, I can't even get it out of the box. All right, here we go. She's chunky. Oh my God. Okay, maybe I'll just pull it out one by one. But let's start off with this guy, shall we? Look how cute this is. It is a placemat. This would be beautiful for a journal. Would this not? Look. Oh, I love this yellow. I can definitely see myself going in with the yellow as the cover, and then this being the inside. Ugh, I love anything quilted. She knows me so well. All right, the next item that we have here is magic water painting. So I'm assuming that this is for my beautiful and sweet assistant, Paul. I call him beautiful, but he's beautiful and handsome. Let's try to see if I can find a card. Okay, I think I see something here. Let me flip the box. Oh, she's heavy. Here we go. She says, "Hi BB, congratulations. You won my Aloha hidden giveaway. Definitely check out the video, guys. She brings you along, and I'll never get to experience going to Hawaii, but I lived vicariously through Cara. So thank you so much for having shared that with us, Cara. And these are my little giveaway winnings. Look how cute. Do y'all see this little pop-up sticker wing on this butterfly? I'm so excited. Okay. Yes, look at this. I have a cute little keychain to go on my keys. Ooh, I'm gonna do it as soon as I am done with this video. Some chocolate covered macadamia nuts, Rice Crisp. I like anything Rice Crispy. Let's have us a taste. I'll have y'all look at these beautiful postcards that she sent me. Isn't he a cutie? I love it. I love it, love it. Look at this little toucan. Oh, they smell so good. Yummy. Check that out. So it's a little 2-pack. Let's eat this one. This reminds me of Reese's. Look at me, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, that is so good. I wish you guys could try it. Okay, moving on. Here's her card. Look at this cute butterfly. I love this. Y'all are my beautiful monarch butterflies. Okay, I think this just tucks in. I was about to rip it. Uh-oh. Okay, let's have us a read. I had to pause the video a little bit. I had to get me something to drink because that was so good. Side by side or miles apart, friends are always close to my heart. I thought this cup would be so super fitting to drink water out of. Oh my gosh, that was so yummy. Thank you for sharing that with me. I haven't read the card yet, but I am. Give me just a second. So here we have a beautiful birthday card. And it says, "It's your birthday, wishing you every happiness on a day like today. It's only natural to think about all the days you've made more wonderful just by being the kind of person you are. And she selected this cute little gold foiled birthday card with these wonderful butterflies. I can feel the card feels a little bit chunky, so she's also placed some goodies in there for me. Thank you. And she gave me Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. She's such a cutie. Here, I'll put these down for you guys to have a look while I read my birthday card. Oh, my dear, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. She says that she sent it a little late. I don't care, girl. Like, you didn't have to send me anything at all, but I'm so appreciative. Thank you. Thank you. Look at these. Aren't these cute? They're little patches. I love it so much. Oh, you're so wonderful, Cara. Thank you. I love my card. I will definitely journal that. Let me move the chocolate so I don't get no chocolate on my beautiful card. Oh, this is too much. This is way too much, girl. Oh, lordy. So here she sent me a blinged out pencil case. I love this green. It's so cute. It reminds me of one of the things that Selena Quintanilla wears. One of her outfits. Ah, oh, wow. So this is like a dauber. I don't have one this big, but I've always wanted one. So thank you so much for sharing that. And oh wow, she's blessed me with some cute little charms there. Are y'all seeing that? That looks like dollar signs. I'm guessing those are owls. And what is this? Like anchors, maybe an anchor or crosses. And she sent me 4 compartments of that. So how cute. A nice way to organize, or maybe even for paper clips. So that's really neat. Thank you. Oh, another one? Oh my lord. Okay. So she's sent me 2 compartments, and these are smaller. Do y'all see that? They look like dragonflies. Oh wow, there's lots of little goodies in there. I'll have y'all have a little glance there. Wonderful. And those are wings and feathers. Oh, how cute. So wow, those are a lot of charms. And she sent me 2 of them. Oh wow, so this one's a little bit smaller. And there's a size difference. Very cool. Thank you so much. And one of the little ones that fell out, little charms here, and a smaller dauber. Look how cute, to do like little. Oh, my phone's about to turn off. That, you guys, my phone is, I don't know, it's freaking out. She also gave me this cute little notebook, white pages. So I can definitely write down my notes or upcoming collabs or anything like that. That's perfect because I do end up using these quite a lot. And let's see what else is next. Oh, look, she sent me a blinged out bee. How cute. Maybe I could put this on my roller cart. I have a little roller cart my daddy gave me, and that would be so cute. Ooh, to put on both sides, one on one and one on the other. Let's hope that it fits perfectly on there, but that's what came to mind seeing those. And then this says, I heart you. Look how pretty. I love pastels and anything floral. Or maybe I could even use these for junk journals. How cute would that be? So she's sent me 2. Here's my stickers. Look how adorbs these are. Love them. And she also sent me, they look like little die cuts. Oh my word. Oh my word. She sent me a lot. A lot of die cuts. Are y'all seeing this? And like thickers. I think that's what they're called when they're thick like that. Or cardboard cutouts. Oh, look at the cute little raccoon. Ooh, this is maybe what I was hearing like rattling inside. Sounds like a little bit of a maraca. That is a huge bag, Cara. Oh my word. Next up, let's see what else. Another notebook. She sent me another notebook, except this one's bigger. Oh my word. Look at this. Oh, it's cute. And some stamps clunk onto them, the little cling stamps here. Check this out. Ooh, I wish y'all could feel the inside. You hear that? It's textured. Oh, I have it backwards. Here, let's flip it this way. Oh, this is the front. It says 2022. How cute. And or I could use this for junk journals too. Thank you for sharing that. Holy mackerel, this is so pretty. That would look so cute. I'm already getting ideas for junk journals. This is perfect. Let's pull these out. Oh, she knows I like doilies. Look at these, so festive looking. Look, she sent me a lot. I think some of them might be stuck together here. I am back. My phone is acting a little whack. I don't know what's going on with it, but pushing forward. She also decided to share some, just a note, little sticky pads here. They are so cute. They look so Hawaiian to match with my postcards down here somewhere now. But those are very pretty. I love that. Reaching in. Ooh, some shaker hearts. How cute. And it's got cute little stitches on here. Wow. I love that. I turned it over as if I'm going to see the back. I'm such a ditz. Okay, but those are so adorbs. I love that. Let's see what's next. Next up, I pulled out some more stickers, school memories, autographs. That would be kind of cute for like a spread for Paul's school or Jayziel's school. How fun. And look at this walrus with its pink nostril gem. Gem nostril. How cute. Some more stickers. We have some alphabets and we have some penguins. Cute for Christmas. Some more cactuses. She shared some lots of cactus ones the last time she sent me some R.A.K mail. Goodness gracious. I'm going to have a collection of cactuses. Check out these wax seal stickers. These are huge. Oh my word. Isn't that adorable? Love that. I love the colors too. That's very pretty. Something huge. What's going on here? Some more. She sent me some more. So these ones say XO and love. Great for Valentine's. And then she sent me this cute. Oh, this is so cute. A cute little pencil bag with some more goodies inside. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So we got some pencils. This is a 6-pack with some pastel colors. And wow, look, this is a stackable crayon. I used to have something like this when I was a little girl. And ever since then, I've been wanting some. And she has made this. I know it might be silly, but this is kind of a huge deal for me because I loved things like this when I was a little girl. And I remember being so excited to pull them out during class and being able to color with them, and I wanted kids to ask me like, ooh, what are those, you know? And I was the kind of person that loved to share. So here we go, family rules, mind your manners. So this is just like a little stamp here, some more stamps as well. You are so kind, beautiful, original, and perfect. And then we got some more stamps. Oh my wash. Oh my gosh, I was gonna say, oh my god. Look at that, how cute. So we've got thank you, congratulations, best wishes. This one says enjoy and hello. Oh my gosh, this is too much. Congrats, smile, thanks for being a friend. I'm gonna have cling stamps for days. And then we got some cute little cartoons. Oh, look at this. I don't like spiders, but I don't mind looking at spiders that are cartoons. It's just like real photos of spiders. Those creep me out. But other than that, this is so cute. I love this. Wouldn't that be perfect for Halloween? Yeah. Anytime they look like cartoons, I don't mind it, you know, or hand-drawn or whatever. But when they're real pictures, forget about it. Thank you. You rock. Lucky me. We've got love you, laugh out loud, and a cute little owl. Do y'all see him with his sweater? Dream, joy, and bliss. Wow, this is too much, my dear. Let's see. This one says, oh, this is so cute. Thinking of you. This reminds me of the print of like Friends, right? And then, ooh, we got some erasers, I think, point markers. Oh, they're stickers. I don't know why I thought they looked like erasers to me. How cute. So you can write little notes and stuff. That is precious. Thank you for that. And you packaged it so well. I'm not gonna be able to put it back in there like you had it. I'll be right back. All right, I think I did the best that I can, but what a neat little pencil case. This gives me like 90s vibes. I'm so stuck in the 90s. This is so adorbs. Love that. All right, next up we have digging in. Oh, you guys, look how cute. Let's stay home. And then these are more cactuses. Look how precious. Oh, I wonder if these like can, if you can put them like at a little angle type thing, like one here and then the other one's like that. You know what I mean? Oh, she shared some neat tags. This would look cool in like a spooky journal or even like bohemian. So that gives me like bohemian vibes. Those are nice. And she's also shared some trims with me. Oh, these are so blingy. Again, this looks like it would be for bohemian, except for the gnomes. The gnomes would go on something else. Maybe, maybe something whimsical. That would be adorbs. Oh, we have the cake banners. That's cute for like something coastal. I don't know if I ever finished showing you guys these, but I want to because she sent me quite a bit of these, like a lot. Those would look adorbs in some journals. I'm gonna set these aside because these feel very fragile. She sent me some Christmas forest goodies. She knows that I love anything woodland creature. Let's have a look. Oh, that is so cute. So some of them are holographic and glitter. Like those ones, look at that. Very iridescent. Oh, that's cute. Thank you. And next up we have, what are these? We got some puppies for Valentine's Day. I think we're almost done. Some more Christmas goodies, some snowflakes. Look at those. I love that teal. And we got some more Christmas stickers. And what else do we have? Oh, we have puppies. We got some cute puppies. Oh, the kittens. I love kittens. Even though one bit me not too long ago. And then we have, let's see, what are these? Another, like, we got some pigs, some penguins, some lions. The list goes on. They're so pretty. And we got some more of these, what are these? Reward stickers. Oh, Paul would love these. I think he would love to stick those on his door and stuff. We had one of his little friends come over and she peeled off all his stickers. He was not happy about it, so hopefully this will cheer him up. And then she gave me a little notepad here so I can jot down some notes. That is so precious. It's got the cactuses. She gave me some not too long ago. Let me show y'all. I've been using it. It's almost out. Check it out. I have used so much of it. This is how it was in the beginning. And look, I'm almost finished with it, so it's perfect. I use them a lot. Typically, my mind is all over the place, so I love to write down notes. And she shared even some more charms here with me. Look at this. How stinking cute. And there's a variety of different stuff to go through in here and just craft with that. Isn't that cool? Love that so much. Thank you, Cara. You shared already so much with me. Good gosh, people are gonna think I am spoiled, which she has spoiled me. So guys, here's another look at the Happy Mail winnings and R.A.K mail. So thank you so much, Cara, for having put this all together. I am mountains full of crafts here now. Thank you so much. I know it's an effort to put Happy Mails together for crafty friends, so thank you for having taken the time to do that. And once again, thanks everybody for having joined me for this video. I hope to catch you guys on the next one, and sending y'all hugs and kisses. Cara, sending you my love, and tell your girls I said hi for me. Okay, bye.